يا غني لنا شوي. غني برافو.
You guys are getting ready to start on a journey that very few people ever get to see.
My dog Zeus is trapped in Syria. I have to get him here.
Sin da piccolo Ice è stato il mio compagno. Ice è il centro della nostra famiglia.
Service dogs have been around for decades. So much of it depends on that match between the child and the dog.
Cada perro debería de tener su casa.
I think we're just scraping the surface of what dogs can really do.
Good job!
I've been a groomer for 22 years.
I put my heart and soul into it.
It can be lonely to have the disability. We're hoping he'll be her best friend.
I think he's telling us how much he loves us.
Senti cosa dice lei.
We needed him as much as he needed us.
She is my daughter. I love her.
I can't imagine my life without dogs.